Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the second channel. Now today I've got a set of super dirty winter wheels I just pulled off a customer's car, so I'm going to show you my process to deep clean these wheels, but most importantly I'll show you how to protect them so cleaning them will be far easier going forward. Alright, so taking a quick look at these wheels, and the first thing you'll notice is that the tires are really brown, which means there's some blooming going on. The rim face is filthy from winter driving, and then the barrels are full of dirt and brake dust. And since these are the customer's winter wheels, we're going to want to get them cleaned up and looking their best before they go into storage for a little while. So the very first thing I'll do is spray them off with the pressure washer, starting with the tires to help get any old tire dressings or blooming off of them. Then since these are off the vehicle, I'll go ahead and do the inside of the tire as well. And obviously that's not something you could do if these were on the vehicle. So if you do happen to have the opportunity to remove your wheels to clean them, or maybe you swap your wheels in the spring and fall, I would definitely recommend cleaning them before you put them on, as you'll have easy access to the entire wheel and you won't be fighting with big bulky brake calipers. Once everything is rinsed really well, I'll grab my Detail Geek contour tire brush, spray some of my wheel and tire cleaner on the tires, and we'll get to work agitating to get any remaining dressings or blooming off of these tires. And now since the tire cleaner turned brown when I hit it with the brush, that means the tire isn't quite perfectly clean yet, so I will go ahead and repeat the entire process as many times as is necessary until the solution is only turning white, and that's when you know the tires are clean. Okay, with the tires clean now, I'll grab my Detail Geek wheel brush and start on the rest of the wheel, making sure to spray the cleaner around all the spokes and down into the barrel as well. Now for the back side of the wheel, I'm again spraying on a liberal amount of wheel and tire cleaner, but wanted to show you that my Detail Geek green drill brushes are a good option for tires if you prefer to have a machine do the work for you. Obviously, if you have more delicate rims, you'll want to be a little more careful, but if you're wondering where you can pick these up, well, I've got them available on my website at detailgeekautocare.com, and worldwide shipping is available. With the wheels clean now, I'm moving on to the iron decontamination stage, and after spraying it all over the wheel and letting it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, it's going to react with any iron particles and dissolve them, turning purple while it does. Although somewhat surprisingly, there wasn't much on these wheels, so getting this rinsed off, I can be satisfied they are perfectly clean and ready to be protected with a ceramic coating. Now to protect these rims, I'm using Pro Deluxe, which is a product I've used quite a bit before and one that I've also used on my own truck to coat the rims and all the exterior plastic surfaces. And it adds a ton of gloss and a hydrophobic protective layer that's going to last for up to 2 years. So using the supplied micro suede cloth and applicator block, I'll apply a strip of the coating and then make sure that I get nice even coverage on the wheel, making sure I don't go back over areas that I've already done over a minute ago, as it will already be starting to harden. And you'll see that I switched to just using the cloth to apply it, as with the tight spaces on this wheel, I couldn't fit the block in there. So this way I can make sure I applied an even layer everywhere. Now again, this is one of the benefits to having the wheels off the vehicle, because it's allowing me full access to make sure the entire barrel is fully coated and protected as well. And like I said, Pro Deluxe is an awesome product. Definitely something that all of you guys are capable of doing at home yourself. It's great for any type of wheel, smooth or textured plastic, even rubber, and will add gloss and a hydrophobic protective layer for up to 2 years. So if you guys are curious, the link to it is in the description. Now it's not an overly cheap product, but it is well worth it, as it will make your wheels and exterior plastics look incredible and be way easier to clean for years to come. Now the very last step is to dress these tires, and for that I'm using Pro Pearl, which is a water-based dressing and can also be used on plastics and leather, as it comes in a concentrate, so you just dilute it to the appropriate ratio depending on what you're applying it to. Alright guys, well that is going to wrap things up for this video. These wheels are deep cleaned and they are looking incredible. Now if you guys enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on a video. Enjoy the guitar outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.